My name's Dr. Cameron Jones, and if you're watching this, you're probably quite concerned about how you can get your business back up and running. Well, I'm here to tell you that there is a simple, fast, and effective way of validating your workplace to make sure that there is no virus present. The whole point of testing your environment for the presence or absence of the SARS-CoV-2 virus is to make sure that your workplace or facility is safe for other people. As well, you can also validate your cleaning process. Make sure that it's actually working and that therefore your environment is safe for yourself, your staff, and members of the public. We can come into your business and help you validate this clean. Make sure that there are no remaining areas that are not adequately disinfected, because at the end of the day, you need to provide a safe workplace, and the safer we all are, the safer we'll all be into the future. We can help you with site inspections all over metropolitan Melbourne and throughout Victoria. Our team is trained in full use of PPE. We can quickly and efficiently come into your workplace, take the swabs and bring them back to the lab. It takes approximately an hour in our lab to get results, so usually we can provide very quick results so that you and your staff can move into the future safe in the knowledge that there is no residual SARS-CoV-2 virus present on high-touch surfaces.